Hi, I'm Erin with Erin's Faces, and if you're not sure how to use your concealer to get its utmost potential, you're in the right place. Okay, so I've got our Radiant Firming Concealer, and here's how you're going to use it. I'm going to pull it out. I do get a little bit off of the doe foot just to control, grabbing my mirror, what's happening. And then I just literally slide it under the eye. I put more on. Friends of mine do some dots. I don't do that. I sloosh it on. If we're doing it, we're doing it. That's how I feel. There's just a little bit left on here because I sloosh a whole bunch of it on. That's my official terminology. And so I'm just going to throw a little bit above the Cupid's bow. I tend to need more coverage on the old chin. I'm going to come back, get a little bit more down here, and then I throw a little under the eyebrow, a little under the eyebrow. Get on there. Need a little more. A little over the eyebrow, a little over the eyebrow, and then a little in your hair if you're lucky, and then do that. I don't know what it looked like, but now I'm going to fix it. Okay? Okay. Here we go. You can use a brush if you have an old foundation brush. These are good for this. We're going to come out with a brush, and I will redo this video. But I want you to be able to use your stuff. Oh, you know where else I put it? I forgot. Hang on. This is me. But I get very, very pink around the schnoz. Okay? You could also use your foundation brush if you have that. And again, if you watched our foundation brush tutorial, quickie tutorial, whatever you push is going to have more pigment. Whatever you brush is going to have less pigment. This I'll probably just do with my finger. Okay, very highlighted, very happy. And then honestly, you can get in there with your finger. And just do it. Ring finger, please. That is a thing. Just do your ring finger. Okay. And then great. That's it. You can do it. Concealer is not hard, and ours is super easy with the formula that I spent a whole long time figuring out so that it would be easy for you to use. Okay? Let us know if you have questions. You can do it.